Hello, welcome to Naraj Mazrus Academy, Daily Current Affairs, including GS and GK. The first question. Recently, India announced a medical e-visa facility for citizens of which country? The option and the correct answer is A. Bangladesh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced an e-medical visa facility for Bangladeshi nationals and the opening of a new consulate in Rangpur, Bangladesh. The next question. Recently, where was the 43rd World Medical and Health Games held? The options are, and the correct answer is B. France. At the 43rd World Medical and Health Games in Saint-Tropez, France, from June 16th to 23rd, 2024, four officers from the Armed Forces Medical Service won a record 32 medals. The next question. Who won the two bronze medals for India at the Archery World Cup 2024? The options are, and the correct answer is C. Dheeraj Bommadevara at the Archery World Cup 2024 stage 3 in Antalya, Turkey. 22 years old, Dheeraj Bommadevara won two bronze medals in the recurve events. The next question. What is the theme of International Olympics Day 2024? The options and the correct answer is B. Let's move and celebrate. Olympic Day is celebrated worldwide on June 23rd, making the foundation of the International Olympic Committee in Paris in 1894, proposed by Dr. Joseph Rush in 1947. The first Olympic Day was celebrated in 1948. The 2024 theme, Let's Move and Celebrate. The next question. Recently, who was elected unanimously as the Speaker of the 16th AP Legislative Assembly? The options are, and the correct answer is B. C. Ayanna Patrudu. Telugu Party's Narsipatnam MLA C. Ayanna Patrudu was unanimously elected as the Speaker of 16th Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly on June 22nd. Which institution released a consultations paper to implement a regulatory sandbox within the realm of digital communication? The options are, and the correct answer is C. TRAI. The Telecommunication Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, recently released a consultation paper on encouraging innovative technology, service, use cases, and business models through regulatory sandbox in digital communication sector. The next question. Which state commenced the constructions of the world's largest Ramayan temple? The options and the correct answer is B. Bihar. The construction of the world's largest Ramayan temple began in Bihar's East Champaran district following rituals at the site. The next question. Which state or in which union territory is associated with Ekambra project? The option B. Odisha. Odisha's Chief Minister Navin Patnaik initiated the rupees 280 crores for Ekambra project. Next question. Which is the first state or union territory to introduce trial runs of buses powered by hydrogen? The option C, New Delhi. In the coming months, the initial trials run of buses powered by hydrogens are expected to commence in Delhi, with the other state to follow suit. Next question. The first ever Aadhaar center in Indian Army has been inaugurated in which town or which city? The option A, New Delhi. The inaugural ceremony of the first permanent Aadhaar Enrollment Center, that is PAEC, for the Army took place at one central base post office, that is CBPO, in New Delhi. The next question. Headquarters of United Nations Environment Program, that is UNEP, is located at uh, the options, and the correct answer is B. Nairobi. The United Nations Environment Program, that is UNEP, was founded as a result of United Nations. Next question. Which among the following countries is not a non-annex I party of the UNFCCC? The option D, Australia. India has signed the UNFCCC on 10th June 1992 and ratified on 1st November 1993. The next question. The name of Billy Arjan Singh is most closely associated with which among the following national parks of India? The options are, and the correct answer is B. Dudhwa National Park. Billy Arjan Singh was born in Gorakhpur in 1917 and had died in January 2010. He was hunter who once after killing a young leopard becomes a conservationist and campaigned for creating the Dhruva National Park. He was awarded the World Wildlife Fund's Gold Medal in 1976. He received the Padma Shri in 1995 and again in 1996, a WWF Gold Medalist. And he also received other the Golden Arc. Billy Arjun Singh established the Tiger Heaven Society in 1992 and also released a book, Tiger Heaven. The next question. The rate of natural increase of population of a country is 2%. In how many years the population of this country will double? The options are, and the correct answer is C, after 35 years. Time for doubling is 70 by rate of natural increase. Next question. Which of the following national park is a natural habitat of Hangwal and endangered species of red deer? The options are, and the correct answer is C, the Chingam National Park. Next question. In whose period Buddha statue made are found in five postures? In the option A, Gujarat. Buddha statues built in Gupta's periods are five in five postures. Number one, meditation posture. Number two, Bhumi Prastha Mudra, Abhya Mudra, Varada Mudra, Dharma Chakra Mudra. The next question. Nagar temple architectural style is related to. The options are, and the correct answer is A, Pala. Nagar temple architectural style is related to Pala substyle, Odisha substyle, Khajuraho substyle, and Solanki substyle. The word Nagar is derived from Nagar. It is also called as Nagar style becomes it was the first constructed in the city. The next question. Which fibers dominate the textile industry? The options are, and the correct option is C, cotton. Cotton plays an important role in the Indian economy as the country's textile industry is mainly cotton based. India is one of the largest producers and exporters of cotton yarn. The Indian textiles industries contributes about 5% to the country's gross domestic product, that is GDP. The next question. Which Indian state is said to be inaugurated the largest office space in a single project globally? The options are, and the correct answer is P, Gujarat. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the Surat Diamond House, which is acclaimed as the largest office space in a single project globally. The last question. When is the World Hydrogen and Fuel Cell Day celebrated? The options are, and the correct option is C, October 8th. World Hydrogen and Fuel Cell Day celebrated annually on October 8th. It is a global initiative aimed at promoting awareness of hydrogen as a clean and sustainable energy source along with the versatile technology of fuel cell.